Right. Guys, can you hear me, all of you? Guys, can you hear me, right? Right. So, guys, in the previous class, we discussed about which one, like Python set data structure. Now let's talk about dict data structure, guys. What's the concept name? Dict data structure. Dict data structure, right? So, what is the use of dict and how dictionary is different from the other data structures like list, tuple, set? See, in case of list, guys, in case of list, we'll take some number elements like this. Suppose 10,000. I will take suppose some string value, right, and one more integer value, okay, and one more string value, right, and one more let's take some integer value, and one more some string value like this, right? So this is what, guys, a list, right? A list. Now what do? I take the one tuple with parenthesis. This is what tuple. I can take the one set within the curly braces. This is what set, guys. Okay, this is the set, right? Set. So here, if you observe clearly, let's take the example of list, guys. The example of list. In this list, first, this is integer value, right? It is integer value, guys. Integer number. What is that number? 10,000. What is this 10,000? What is this 10,000? Is it employee number, or is it employee salary, or is it customer ID? Is it bank EMI? Is it loan amount? Right? See, the clarity is not there. It can be tuple, it can be set. What is this value? That clarity is not there. Value is there, but what is this one? Right? Next. This is what string value, guys. This is what a string value. A string value. Let's take this is what Narayana, right? What is this value Narayana? Is it employee name, or is it employee first name or employee last name, or is it manager name, or client name? All of, right? So like that, in every value, clarity is missing. What is 20,000? Is it salary or house rent, right? Or else monthly expenses or monthly EMI? Clarity is not there. Python. What is this Python? Is it a course name or a skill name or a snake name? Clarity is not there. Like that, about every value, it can be in the list, it can be a tuple, it can be set. About every value, clarity is not there. About every value, clarity is not there. Now I want to give the full clarity of each value. I want to give the clarity of each value, all of you. In that case, first what is the value? 10,000. Now I am saying that 10,000 is employee number, that's all. 10,000 is what? Employee number. Next, what is there? Tell me. Narayana is there. That Narayana is employee name, e-name. That's all. I am saying that what is Narayana? That is employee name. I am giving a full meaning, right? Next, what is 20,000? 20,000, like let's take salary. That is what? Salary. Like this. Next, Python is there. What is the Python? Python is a skill. Python is what? A skill name. Skill is what? Python. Next, 50,000. What is 50,000 here? 50,000 is suppose savings, guys. Okay, I can take like a savings. savings what up to now, what are the savings? 50,000. Then what is Hyderabad here? Hyderabad, is it hometown? Is it hometown, or is it working location, or is it favorite location? I can say this is what here work location, guys. Okay, I can say that this is a work location. That's all, right? Now, guys, observe here. So, what is 10,000? Here, meaning is not there. Here, I am giving the meaning. That is what employee number. What is this Narayana? Narayana is what here employee name. 20,000 is salary. Python is the skill name. 50,000 is the savings. Hyderabad is the work location. Right? Now, this all I will take in a single line, in a single object. That means how all of observe. See, I am taking this one, comma. So here each one is called one key value pair. All of you. So this is what this is the key. This is the value, right? Key value. This is the key, and this is what value. So commonly what we call it here key value pair. Key value pair. Again, this is what this is the key, and this is what value. Key value pair. Here also key value pair. Pair. It's also pair, guys, right? So these all what we call here, they are called pairs. Key value pairs. Okay, pairs. Now next what here? Salary. Next what here? Okay, skill. Next what here? Savings, comma, and then which one? Comma, work location, guys. Okay, work location. That's all. Now for this all, I am keeping within the curly braces. Assign here employees equal to. All of you observe here. Employees equal to, like this, right? Now this is what 10,000. But here, what is 10,000? 10,000 is the employee number. Next, here only value is there, but here for a value, what is there? Key is there. For every value, we are giving the key. For every value, we are giving what? We are giving the key. That's all. For every value, we are giving the key, guys. We are giving the key for every value. That's why. So it is called dictionary. Dictionary is a collection of key value pairs. Collection of which one? Key value pairs. In case of list, tuple, set, what do you say? List is a collection of only values. Guys. Only values. Values or elements or items. Anyone name you can use. You can say that collection of what? Values, or collection of elements, or collection of items also. Right? But coming to the dictionary, we say that what? Collection of key, okay, value pairs. Key value pairs. It is a collection of key value pairs. That's all, guys. Okay. Now, so what do I do here? The same dictionary copying from here, and I am opening one ideally. I'll run there. Let's see how to create a dictionary. Right. I copied there. I am pasting here, guys. Now, guys, observe now. All of observe here. Employee number, employee name, salary, skill, savings, work location, right? Work location, guys. Now, just guys, for space purpose, what I am doing, I just remove this one, and I am keeping just a location, guys. Okay, location. So it looks better now for understanding purpose. Location. Now, guys, observe here. How many pairs are there in the dictionary now? How many pairs are there? This is the one pair. This is second pair, this is third pair, this is a fourth pair, this is the fifth pair. Totally 5 pairs are there, guys. Total how many pairs are there? 5 pairs are there. Totally 5 pairs. Now I click enter. You can observe print of employees. What is the type of employees here? Dictionary. What is the type here? Type is the dictionary. Okay, dictionary, guys. Dictionary. All of you. Right? Next, what is first point here? The first point is dict is what? Okay, dict is a collection of what here? collection of key value pairs, key value pairs, key value pairs. Then next one guys, the pair should not be duplicated. All pairs must be unique guys, all of you. All pairs must be unique. Okay, observe here. All pairs must be unique. That's all. All pairs must be unique guys. All pairs must be unique. Means what? No duplicates are allowed. No duplicates are allowed. Suppose observe now. I take the same dictionary. What I am trying here. I am trying to take same here also. Same as it is employee number. How much here? 10,000. Now guys observe here. If you observe clearly, employee number 10,000, the same pair I am taking as it is. Same pair means what? Same key and same value guys. Both are same. Same pair is taking. Same pair as it is. Now you can see here print of employees. Print of employees. You can see now only the first pair is there. The repeating pair, the duplicate pair is not allowed. Only first pair is there. The same pair repeating, right? The same pair repeating, that pair is not there here. That pair is not there. So what is the point here? What is the point? Tell me now. No duplicates guys, right? No duplicates are allowed. No duplicates are allowed. That's all. Alafu. Okay. The next one is entire pair not repeating. Okay, but can repeat the key name. One key name possible repeating, right? Observe now. Keys also must be unique guys. Not only entire pair, only keys also must be unique. The values can be duplicate, but keys must be unique guys. Okay. Suppose observe now. I will take here. I change the value. I change the value something like this. Now if you observe here, see what is repeating now. Only key is repeating, right? Only key is repeating, but value is different. Here. Only key is repeating, right? Here also not allow. It is also not allow. Not allow. We can observe now. So print of what employees. Print of employees. Now when we take the same key, but value is different. At that time, what happens here? The latest value override the old value, guys. All of you. See, this is the same period. Okay. Here, what is there? E number. Here also same E number, right? E number. In that case, the latest value replace the previous value. So what's coming here? 20,000 coming, guys. 20,000 coming. Like that, we can say. Or we can say that the old pair will replace by latest pair. We can say like this also. The previous pair will replace by the latest pair. That's all. Right? That's why what came here, the value 20,000 came, guys. 20,000 came. Right? So keys also must be unique. What about the values? Values can be duplicated. Okay, values can be duplicated. That means what here? That means, see, I can take here salary. If you observe now, see 10,000, same value, but key is different, right? Here E number, here salary. Key is different, but same value. Yes, it allows. It allows, guys. Okay, it allows. Observe now. Print of what? Employees. See here 10,000 employee number. Here 10,000 what? Salary, right? Salary, guys. So duplicate values allow. But not the duplicate keys or not the duplicate pairs. All of you are clear now, right? And in the dictionary we can perform card operations, guys. Okay, card operations. In the dictionary we can perform which operations? Card operations. Nothing but what? C for what? C for create new dictionary. create a new dict, okay, create dictionary. Next R for what? R for what here? Retrieve the values of keys. Retrieve the values by using the keys. Retrieve the values. Then U for what? U for update, right? Okay, updating the value of which one? Of keys again. Updating the values of keys, guys, right? And next what? D for what? Delete. Deleting the pair. Deleting the entire pair, guys. Not only value, not only key. Entire pair will delete. Entire pair will delete, guys. That's all. Entire pair will delete. That's all. Alafu. So clear now this one now? Right. Now let's observe it here, guys. We'll observe now. Let's see how to create already creating the dictionary we have seen, right? Already we know how to create the dictionary, right? This is the way to create the dictionary. Now let's see second one. Or second one retrieve, right? Or second one here, retrieve the values. Retrieve the values by using what? By using the keys. By using keys. How to retrieve the values? Observe now. First of all, what is the dictionary? Employees, guys, right? What is the dictionary now? Currently, employees. This is dictionary, right? Now, how to retrieve the values? How to retrieve the values? Okay, retrieve the values, guys. Observe here. Employees of E number. What is the E number? Say 10,000. Dict of key. Then value will come, guys. Next, employees of E name. Employees of salary. Employees of skill. Right? Employees of location. See, this is the way how to get the values by using the key. If you want to get the value, compulsorily we should use corresponding key. If you want to get any value, we should use a corresponding key like that. Dict of key, then value will come. Dict of key, value will come. This is the one way to get the values. The second way is dict dot get function we use. Get of what? Get of E number. Right? Dict dot get of E name. Then get of what? Get of salary. Right? Just get function we use, guys. Get function we use like this. And what last one is here? The last one is location. That's all. Alafu. Are clear on this one, guys? Right? This is the way how to get the values. Right? Everybody, guys, are able to follow me this one? All of you guys, let me know. Everyone, guys, let me know. Are you following me this one, guys? All of let me know. Right. So next one update, guys, right? Next which one? Update operation. So creating over and retrieving over, right? Next update operation. Let me print the dictionary. Sorry. What is the name, guys? Employees. Okay. Now I want update employee name. All of right. I want update any value. You can update the salary employee number. You can update the salary. You can update the course name, skill name. You can update the location. We can update only values, guys, not the keys. We cannot update the keys. Remember, all of you. Only we can update what? We can update the values only. Now, suppose here Narayana is there. What is there? Narayana is there. I just want to make it some different name, right? Then So what we do here, employees of which one? E-name. Employees of E-name. If I use employees of E-name, if I run that one, then what happens here? Corresponding value will display, right? Just now we have seen above how to get the values, right? Dict of key, then value will come. What is the value? Narayana will come. But that value I want update by some string value. Let us take some name Ramya. That's all of you. Okay, now from this one we can observe print of what employees. We can see now that value is updating by this new value, guys. By new value. Like that, any value can update, guys. Suppose I want to update working location, guys. I want to update the location here. A dict of keys first of all. Dict of key. Then assign the new value. What is the new value here? Let's take Bangalore. Let's take Bangalore. Print of employees. You can see now the value is updated. Only you can update the values only, guys. Okay, only values only. And this is the way how to update the values. Update the values. Next one, let's observe here. Current salary, whatever it is there, I don't know how much is there. But on top of it, I just want to add 5,000 extra. All of you. I don't know how much current salary. What I want now, whatever current salary is there, on top of it, I want to add extra 5,000. If you want an extra 5,000 compulsorily, okay. So what we do here? First of all, get the existing salary. Get the existing salary. How to get existing salary? Salary how to get here? This is what salary will come. How much now? 10,000. For 10,000, I am adding extra 5,000. Right? So 10 plus 5, 15,000. 15,000. 15,000 is the one value, guys, right? This becomes what now? It becomes what? It becomes 15,000 new value. That new value assigned to what again? EMP of salary. Like new value assigned to what? EMP of name. New value assigned to what? EMP of location. This all became what? One new value. This assigned to what now? EMP of salary. Assigned to what? EMPS of which one? Of salary. Of salary, like this. Right? So what does it do here? First of all, it will get existing salary. How much now? 10,000 will come. The 10,000 plus 5,000, how much now? 15,000. 15,000. Now this is this become what? A new value. This new value assigned to what now? Assigned to employees of salary. Employees of salary, that's all. Now what salary now? New value? 15,000. 15,000, okay. Print of what? Employees. You can see now how much it became? 15,000. 15,000. That's all. All of you. Right? Now, what next one? Last operation. Delete operation, guys. Okay. Delete operation. Very simple. Very simple. To delete any pair, it supports a pop function and a pop item function. Pop and pop item. Two functions, guys. All of you. It supports what? Pop and pop item. Pop item function. Right? What is pop function? Pop function is used to remove any specific pair. Any specific pair by using the key name. Pop item is it removes the last pair by default. The last pair by default. Okay. Let's see now pop function, guys. Right? Employees dot pop of which one here? Skill. Pop of skill. Now skill Python, right? Means this key value entire pair deleted. Now you can check once what is the existing employees. Existing employees, you can see now we don't have skill Python. Skill Python is not there, right? Skill Python is not there, guys. That's all. Skill Python is not there. That's why what I'm saying here, pop function is used to remove a specific key value pair by using its key name. By using its key name, that's all. Whatever key name you give, that key and corresponding value entire pair will remove. Now you may have doubt, sir, if I don't give existing key, I give some unknown key, what happens here? emps dot pop off. I am giving the key which is not there, like what I am giving something like a course key is there? No, not there. So what is the error? Key error course. That means what? Course is not there. Course key is not there. All of you. Okay. That is the pop function, guys. Okay, pop function. Guys, if you observe clearly, pop function already we got in the list, right? List pop is there, set pop is there, in dict also pop is there. The pop is coming 3 times, right? This is what list pop, okay? List pop, guys, all of you. And this is what set pop, right? Set pop. And this is what dict pop, okay? Dict pop, guys. In the set pop, empty pop function will remove or delete what the last element by default, guys. Empty pop. In case of set, empty pop will delete which one? Delete the first element by default, guys, right? But in case of dict, empty pop will give error. That's all. Empty pop will give error. Empty pop will give error, all of you. Right? So now let's see here. I am giving the empty pop. I am giving employees.empty pop. It will throw error. Pop expected at least one argument, guys. Compulsorily one argument required. Not empty. Empty is not possible. Now let's talk about which one? Pop item. Pop item, guys. Pop item by default removes the last pair. That's all. Employees.pop item. The pop item, we can't give the any value, any key, not possible. I take the key name. No, not possible. Not possible because empty pop takes no arguments. No arguments means what? It's always must be empty. If it's empty, what does it do? It remove the last pair. What last pair here? Location Bangalore. You can see now. It removes what? Location Bangalore under displaying here, guys. You can observe now. So print of what again employees, you can see now. What is not there? Last pair is not there, right? So here to remove the last one by default, which function we use? Pop item function we use, guys. Pop item, empty pop item, okay? Empty pop item, tell me now what happens here. You will delete which one? Delete the last pair by default, guys. Last pair by default, that's all of you. So this is how we perform the card operations on the dictionary. So create the dictionary and retrieve the values by using the keys, update the values by using the keys, and delete the values by using the keys, right? Now guys, observe here. I'll do one thing. For that you tell me what is the output here. See, employees of, I want update location equal to, I am giving Chennai, guys, right? Now currently we don't have location, guys. Observe now. Currently location is not there. Location is matching with any existing key. Currently location is not there, right? Location is not matching with any existing key. No, not matching with any existing key, right? Not matching, guys. In that case, what will happen, right? Tell me what happens, guys, here. Here key is not there, right? If key is there, then the value will update here. But key is not there. When the key is not there, then automatically that key and the value will add at the end of the list, guys. End of the dictionary. That key and the value will add at the end of dictionary. While updating if key is not there, while updating, if key is not presented in the dictionary, then this key and value will add at the end of dictionary. That's all of you are clear now, right? So guys, here Gautam Kumar, one question asked, the key is always string or it may be some other data type also, sir, right? All of you observe, the keys, generally the keys must be string values, guys. Keys must be string values. The values can be any value. It can be integer value, float value, bool value, complex value, or again list format, whatever it is. But keys must be which format? String only. Keys means what, guys? Are properties, right? All of you. Keys means what? Are properties. Or properties, right? What is a property? Suppose, guys, see, I want to write about a person. I want to write about a person. Tell me what are properties of person? Name is one property. What is the name? Let's take suppose some name here, Rajesh, right? What is property here? Let's take suppose age. What is the age? Suppose age is something 30. All right. Now observe now. All properties. Name is the one property. Age is the one property of the person. Then email. Let's take suppose something Rajesh at some gmail.com, right? Then mobile, right? Mobile. Suppose I am giving mobile also one property of the person. Next one, guys, skill, right? What skill here? Python skill. Location. What is the location of the person? Location, guys. Okay. Hyderabad location, right? Height. Okay, and something weight, color. And next one, experience, working experience, guys. Right? If you observe now, these all properties are strings only, but the values, it can be string, it can be integer, what are these, guys? Remain different types, but all properties are which one? String type only. All properties are string type only compulsorily. So clear this one now. Gautam Kumar, you asked the question, right? And Anjali Jaiswal. Sir, see, guys, what happened here? Every time I am giving only keys, right? Dict of key. Only I am giving the keys. Every time, right? Now your question is, sir, instead of the key, can you give the value, right? Can you give the value? Right or wrong? Anjali Jaiswal, your question is, instead of giving the keys, can you give the value here? That's your question, right? See, generally, somebody wants to know your name. At the time they ask which one, what is your name? What is your age? They want to know. Then what is your email? What is your mobile? What is your skill? Right? They ask this properties. Then what we do as an answer? We give the values as an answer. Right? Suppose observe now. My question is what is your skill? That's my question. For that, what is your answer? We give the answer Python or Java, different thing, right? Different thing. But I can't make the question. What is your Python? No. What is your Python? No. At that time, you can't say skill. No, that's not correct one. Right? What is your age? My question is what? Suppose my question is what here? I can ask what is your age? For example, right? Age like this. Right? Age is what? Key. The value can give. What is the value in this case? 30. Right? 30. I can't say like what is your 30? Right? What is your 30? That is wrong. I can't add that value in the question. Understand, right? That's why every time we should use what? Keys only. As a result, we get answer which one? Values. No, we should not mention the value. We give the only keys only. Are clear now? Right. And guys, here there are some questions, guys. There are some dict functions. There are some dict functions, guys. Right. And one more thing, if you observe now, in the dict, we are able to add new pairs. Right. We can add new pairs. Okay. Just now I have shown you. This is what adding the new pair, and this is what remove the existing pairs. Right. So we can add, we can remove. That means dict is what mutable object, guys. Dict is what mutable object. Why? We can modify the dict. Okay. Here length function is there, guys. Length function is there, and count function is not there. Why count is not there? Because of no duplicates, right? Or unique pairs only. So no count function, no index function also. Why? Dict has no index number concept, right? Not there. Length is there. Now from dictionary I want to get all the keys. Then how? I want to get only keys only. I want to get only keys. I want to get only keys only. Then we have which one? Keys function. We have values function, and we have items function. Right? Let's see now what is the each one. What is each one? All of observe. See currently what is the dictionary? The dictionary right now, how many pairs are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Total 4 pairs are there, right? Then length of what implies. How many are there? 4 pairs are there. How many pairs are? 4 pairs are there. Okay, that is okay. Next one, from the dictionary I want only keys. See, only keys coming here. Employee number, employee name, salary, location. Right? From the dictionary, I want all values. I want all values, right? These are the all values. These are the all values. Next, which function? From the dictionary, I want all items. See, items means what here? See, suppose guys, this is what a key value pair. This is what a pair. This is what a pair. And this is what a pair. These are the 4 pairs, right? That 4 pairs we take as items. Item means what? Item means what, guys? Observe now. Item means like a table of first pair. E number, comma 10,000. This is the one item. One item. That means what? Entire pair we are converting as which one? One item. Item means what? Table of key comma value. Key comma value like this. Or second one is employee name, comma, then Ramya. Now 2 hour, right? 2 hour, guys. Or third one salary some 15,000, comma, next also, right? And again overall which one? Overall displays which one? The square brackets, guys. Okay, all display in square brackets, right? This is what items. Okay, each pair converting as your item, guys. A pair converting as a one item. That's all you can see now. We can observe here. This is what one item. This item for which one? For this key. That item for this pair, guys. Right? This pair. Next, for second pair, we have second item. Okay, second item. For third pair, we have third item. Okay, third item. So third item, correct. For fourth pair, we have fourth item. For fourth pair, we have which one? Fourth item. That's all. Fourth item. Right? This is what items, guys. Items. Already we have employees, right? Employees, in that one employee number, employee name, salary, location is there. I take one more dictionary, employees one. In that I'll take suppose skill will take suppose Python here. Then I will take one more also. Experience how much? Let's take something 14 guys. That's all. Now we have two dictionaries, right? Two dictionaries. So EMPS is the one dictionary. Next what? EMPS one is the one dictionary. Now I want to make both as a one dictionary. I want to make both as one dictionary. I want merge the data into single dictionary, right? At that time, what we do? Employees dot update of employees one. That's all. That means what? In employees one, whatever the data is there, that all data is adding at the end of this employees data. That means what? This all data is adding at the end of at the end of which one? This one, guys. Okay, at the end of this employees, it will add here. That's all, right? Now we can see now print of employees. Print of what? Print of employees. We can see now that all data adding, right? Okay, skill, right? Skill and experience, both are adding, guys. Both are adding. This is what update function. Update. After adding from this one, the data is there. Data is deleted. It is there as it is, guys. No deleting. That is there as it is. Just the data updating the above. But it is there as it is. It is not deleting or not clearing all. Okay. And guys, the last function is there here. That is what from keys function, guys. Which function? From keys function. From keys function. This function is useful while working with the file handling concept in the advanced Python. All of you. This function is very useful while working with which one? Advanced Python in the file handling concept. But just I introduce you this function here. What is the meaning of from keys? Right? Just observe, guys, here. I will take one list. It can be list, it can be tuple, it can be set, whatever it is, guys. Okay, it can be anyone, right? String also. I take list of all the names, guys. That's all. List of some A, B, C, like that, right? I take one empty dictionary. Now in this dictionary, I am going to create the keys from this list, guys. Okay, from this list. That means from keys, right? From keys of which one? LST. That's all. That means what? From this list. Okay, from this list, the keys are coming to this dictionary. Alright, keys are coming from where? From the list, guys. Keys coming from the list. Okay, list. Then print of what here? Print of D. You can see now. I am taking the empty dictionary, right? Empty dictionary I have taken. But in that one, from that list, A came as a key. You can see now, right? A came, guys. And B also taken as a key. C also taken as a key. And D also taken as a key. But values by default none value. By default same value will come for all. Okay, same value, guys. All of you. It can be none, or we can take any value also. We can take 0 for all same. We can take the 1 for all same. We can take the 100 for all same, right? So in that case, suppose I don't want none, sir. I am taking the 0 here. If I take the 0, that means what? From the list, all coming to dictionary, right? Like A is coming to dictionary. At that time, assign 0 as a value. Next what? B is coming to dictionary. For B also assign 0 as a value. Next, what's coming here? C is coming to dictionary. At that time again, that 0 will add as a value. Next, what here? D is coming to the dictionary. At that time again, 0 will add as a value. That's all, right? Okay. Print of D. You can see now. Like that. We can give any value, guys. Whatever value we give, that is the common value for all the keys. So I don't want common values, or I want different value, right? So by default, guys, here the same value will come. By default, the same value will come. Same value will come by default. Later we can modify the value, guys. We can update the value. We can change the value later. But initially, the same value for every key. That is what from keys function, guys. Okay, from keys means the keys the keys are coming from this list to this dictionary. That's why, see, it can be list, it can be string also, guys. You can take the string. Suppose observe now, I will take some string here. I am taking the string what, for example, Python. Now take one empty dictionary. Now keys coming from where? From keys from where? st, and by default value 0. You can take print of dictionary. We can see now, right? So first p came, for that value 0 came, right? 0 came, guys. That's all. Next what came here? Y. For that what is the value again? 0. Next one, what next one? T. For that what is the value again? 0. What next one? H, right? H is coming here. What is the value for that one? 0. Okay, 0. Next, what next one? O. For O, what is the value by default here? I have given 0. And then here, what last one? N, right? N, guys. N. Then what is the value here? 0. Right? So like that what happens here? We can take the keys either from the list, from the string, from the tuple possible. All of let me know, everybody. This is what dictionary, guys. This is what dictionary. It is called dictionary, guys. Dictionary concept. And here we can take nested dict, guys. Nested dict means what? A dict in the another dict. A dict in the another dict. If you observe here, these all are only one employee details. These all are only one employee details. Sir, I want to maintain 5 employees details. I want to maintain 3 employees details. Or 10 employee details. At that time we go with what? We go with the nested dict. Nested dict. Now, guys, what do I do here? Till now, till today, from beginning day onwards, daily I used ideally for practice, right? Now what do I do? From today onwards till end of the batch, I am going to use one file, guys, and in this file I am going to make the programs. So now in this file I am going to show you how to create a nested dictionary. So what I want to take? I want to take the employees. How many employees? It can be employee 1, employee 2, employee 3, like that, right? So this is the main dictionary, guys. In that one, what is the first key? First key is employee 1. Employee 1. About employee 1, take the one sub dictionary. About employee 1, what is the name of employee 1? The name is Sai. What is the salary of employee 1? Salary is 30,000. Okay. What is the location of employee 1? Location is Hyderabad. And what is the skill of employee 1? Skill is Python. That's all. Now what is over, guys, here? First person over. What is over, guys? All of you? First person over. First employee over. Next, take the second key. Means second key. Then take the second value. See, first value will be dictionary. Second value again dictionary. And here I just take all the details same, guys, but I change the values. Same keys, I change the values. This is the suppose Java, and here he is from Bangalore, and his salary is something 20,000, and the name will take something Nani. That's all. Now like that we can take multiple employees, guys. Okay, we can take multiple employees. And the first course, let's take data analytics, and the salary is something some 60,000, and the name is let's take something Ramu, like this, guys. So like that we can take multiple employees details. Now all of observe what is the main dictionary name? Employees. In that one, first key for that first value. Next, second key for that second value. Then third key for that third value, right? Third value, guys. So finally, how many pairs are there? 3 pairs are there. First pair, second pair, third pair. in each pair, the value is subdictionary. Each pair, the value is what? Subdictionary. The value is subdictionary, guys. That's all. All of you, right? So now what happened here? I opened the file. In that file, I wrote some coding, and the file is not saved. That's why displaying what? Untitled. Displaying what? Untitled. I am going to save the file. How to save the file? Normally, Control S, guys. Okay, Control S. I am saving the file with the name Python yet. See, these all guys, right? You see now all previous batches. 10 a.m., 11 a.m., 11 a.m. batch, 11 batch, 5 p.m., 7 a.m., 7 p.m., 8 a.m., 8 p.m., 9:30, 9. Okay, already 7 p.m. That name already taken another file, right? So I'll take a 7 p.m. batch, guys. 7. What else will take? Suppose Python free batch. That's all. .py is the extension. If you don't give here manually, by default your file will save as which type Python type only. So no issue. That's all. You can see now in the above the file is saved. Where the file is saved? It's giving the file path also. It's giving the file path also, guys, right? So file name is giving, and it's giving the file path also in our laptop, right? Now guys, observe here. Print of what? Employees. Print of employees. You can see all employees details displaying. Means print of dictionary. That means what? It displays key value pairs, right? It displays key value pairs, guys. Okay. It displays key value pairs. That's all. All of you. It displays key value pairs. That's enough, guys. Right? See, guys, tell me now. In that employees, what is the employee one? Employee one, guys, means dict of key. What is corresponding value? This is the corresponding value. That value will display, guys. Output. That value will display. You can see now. All right, okay. That value is displaying, right? That value displaying, guys. You can observe now. That value is displaying. All of you. If I take employees, employee 1, in that I want to take the name, only name, guys. That's all. That means what? Employees of employee 1 of name. Employees of employee 1 of name. What is the name now? Sai will come. What is the name here? Sai will come. That's all. All of right. Can you observe the flow? Next, suppose I want to display employees of employee 3 of I want to display skill. Means what? Employees of employee 3 of which one? Skill. What is skill here? Data analytics. It will displays what? Data analytics, guys, like this. All of you. So this is the one basic dictionary operations, guys. Dictionary operations in the advanced Python. Once we understood how to use the for loops, while loops, if conditions, again we will see at that time the same dictionary with more key value pairs with the logical questions, guys. Like suppose, so write a program to display employee name, who is getting the highest salary. All right. See, whoever taking the highest salary, that name I want to display. Generally, who is the highest salary? 60 is the highest, right? What is the name? Ramu is the name. If you want to check the salary, wherever the high salary is there, displaying corresponding name. At that time, we required if conditions, guys. At the same time, we required what? We required for loops also. For loops also we required, right? But right now, as of now, we don't know how to use the if conditions, how to use the for loops. That's why I am not going to explain advanced questions here. All of you. So these questions again we will discuss also if conditions for loops are completed. All of you are clear on this one, guys? Okay. All of you guys, all of let me know guys. Okay, is it clear now this one? See, to run the program, guys, no command is there. It's very simple. See, in the above, we can see run, right? Run tab is there, right? Run tab is there. Just go here, click run module. But shortcut is what here? F5. F5 shortcut, guys. That's why I'm using the F5. If you can click here, it asks us save the file and execute. Right? Okay. So output is coming. Shortcut is what? F5. Just click the F5, guys. Click the F5. It gives output. Guys, see, in some laptops, it supports only F5 button, guys. Okay, which button? Just F5 button. Click the F5 button. That's all. In some laptops, and some supports function holding plus F5. In some laptops, function plus F5. Okay, function button plus F5, guys. In some laptops, it supports Alt, okay, Alt plus F5, guys. In some keyboards like this, and one more, Control plus F5, guys, like this. But in most cases, almost all laptops supports the F5 button only, guys. Click the F5 button. That's all. If F5 not supporting, then function F5 maximum supports, guys. All of just to try only F5 button. Click the F5 button. If no reaction is there, then use what function plus F5 button. Takes good the file. Takes good the file. That's all. All of you. Is it clear now? All of you guys, everybody let me know. So guys, here just I have taken which one? A small dictionary, guys, with some dummy data, with a small data here, right? And guys, here I'll do one more thing. What do I do here? See, suppose employee 3 knows multiple skills, guys. At that time, I am taking the skills. He knows data analytics, okay, and also he knows Python and also Java, like this. That means what? Employee 3 has multiple skills, right? This is the first skill. Later, this is second skill, and this is his present skill, guys. Okay, present skill. Otherwise, what's first one? He knows data analytics. Later, he worked on the Python. Currently working on the Java. Let's imagine like this. Right? Now I want to display what is the latest skill of employee 3. What is the latest skill of employee 3? Tell me, guys, now what do we do? See, I repeat again here. In his flow, initially he worked on the data analytics, later working on the Python, currently working on which one? Java. Currently working on Java. This is the latest skill. Latest skill. These are the old skills for him. Now my question is write a program to display employee 3 latest skill. Employee 3 latest skill. Tell me guys, what do we do here? If I run this one, then it displays all the skills. Displays list of DA, Python, Java, right? But I want latest skill. What do we do now? I want latest skill. What do we do? Let me know, guys. All of you. All of you. Right. So, tell me guys, what do we do here? What do we do now? By using what, guys? Index numbering, right? Because this is the list. List has index numbers, right? 0, 1, 2. Reverse is what? -1. This is what? -2. This is what? -3, right? Okay. Latest means what? Last one. What's next number? -1. Okay. -1, guys. So you can take what here? -1. This last one. What last one? Java. Java is the latest skill. That's all. All of right. So till now, guys, in Python we have done the basics, guys, and tomorrow we'll start advanced Python, guys. Advanced Python means we start the programming part from tomorrow onwards. All of you. From tomorrow onwards, what we do? We start a programming part, guys. Slowly, control statements like if condition, if else, and for loop, while loop, using the break, continue, and then functions, file handling, exception handling, RE, oops, like that. We'll go one by one. Okay, right. So guys, for today we'll stop it now, and tomorrow we start the programming part. Okay. Right. So guys, I hope till now everybody is clear, right? All of you. Okay. Thanks so much, guys. We'll meet tomorrow. Bye.